if you want this look, then copy me. And I look totally like a different person. So when you do this, it looks totally like a different person. And why my mom gave me a different own of makeup is because I love makeup. Like, I want to be a makeup stylist when I get older. So, I hope you have fun, and I do it on my cousins. Hi, today I'm going to do my makeup, but first, this is the first thing you have to do. Brush your hair, grab like a hair tie, and put your hair up. And go like that. Boom, easy. But first what I need to do before I do my makeup is this. So, I'm going to dip my hand in there. See this? And I'm going to spread it on my face. It just makes it way more smooth. So after you do that, you're going to wipe your face with a towel. Get all the wetness off. And it feels so smooth. So after you do that, see I have my makeup. What the first step I like to do is this. Put shiny on me, and then after, I put something called, it is something that is skin color, and I like it because it will take some of the sparkles away, and it doesn't make it as messy. So, you shut it after, you open this. This is what I like to do. There's a tiny brush. And you go where you put that makeup. And I like it because it just covers some of the sparkles and puts it on the brush. See, I'm gonna do this. This is called Elf. I got it from Ulta. And what I like to do, I just like to add it on my cheek. It's a mixture color. See? It's like a mixture of color. It's called Elf 2. I got from Ulta. No, not from Ulta. My neighbor gave me it from Ulta. And it's just like pink blush. And now what I like to do, I have like a little touch over I do. First I go like this. See, it's a mixture of color now. It's like, I did some of this on my sister yesterday, you saw it. And I grab like a blush one, or I grab this one. I like to wipe it off. And you pick a color. I have all types of colors. So, the color I'm going to pick today is some of this white. Back up again, and I'm going to use the sparkle one. And I think the sparkle one I'll use today is going to do this. And spread it out. And you can see, like they're like orangish, whitish. Squeeze. Also, you can pat it. This one's a sparkle one, so these ones you have to really watch out for because they'll make a mess. So I just like to use this brush. way darker. And then if you want to use your bottom ones, you use the bottom, you use the tip, and just run it over a tiny bit. I use a tiny bit because I hurry. Run it over a tiny bit. And if you like this video, please subscribe and have fun. I don't even know who this is. Who is this? I look totally like a different person. Literally. Want to see? And I found the clear coat. So I'm just going to put it on. I have 8 different shades now if I have this. 8 different shades. Love you, Brett.